Over 50, are you struggling with stubborn belly fat, a stiff neck, or tight shoulders? This gentle morning Tai Chi flow is your perfect solution to melt belly fat, soothe shoulder pain, and look 10 years younger. Exercise 1. Knee lift arm reach. Lift one knee while reaching the opposite arm, straight up, and touching your knee with your other hand. This dynamic reach burns belly fat, tones your waist, and gently stretches your shoulder joints. Three, two, one, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 2. Front and back clap. Keep your arms straight and clap in front. Then swing back to clap behind you with a gentle core crunch. This movement targets stubborn belly fat while opening your chest and releasing shoulder tension. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 3. Tiptoe elbow press. Bend your elbows in front of your chest and press up while lifting onto your tiptoes. This movement activates your shoulder muscles, improves spinal posture, and tones your upper abdomen. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 4. Back kick, shoulder tap. Kick one leg back to touch your heel while tapping your back, neck, and shoulder with the opposite hand. This meridian tapping stimulates blood circulation, releases neck stiffness, and relieves deep shoulder strain. 3, 2, 1, rest. Three, two, one, go. Exercise 5. Hip twist arm arc. Twist your hips gently side to side while your arms sweep up and down in smooth arcs. This gentle flow melts waist fat, slims your belly, and loosens tight shoulder blades. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 6. Climb a step arm circle. Step in a steady climber rhythm while circling both hands smoothly at your waist. This exercise burns belly fat, activates your core, and releases shoulder tightness. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 7. Forward bend stretch. Tap one heel forward with a straight leg while bending your waist and swinging both arms back. This movement stretches tight hamstrings, flattens lower belly fat, and releases upper back tension. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 8. High knee elbow lift. Lift your knee while bending your elbows and stretching your arms upward, alternating sides smoothly. This exercise engages your core to melt waist fat and opens up your shoulder joints. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 9. Knee raise arm swing. Swing both arms parallel across your chest while lifting one knee at a time. This continuous rhythm burns calories, firms belly fat, and enhances shoulder mobility. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 10. Hip twist arm swing. Shift your hips gently side to side while swinging one straight arm and one bent arm across your body. This targets love handles, trims your waistline, and releases neck and shoulder strain. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 11. Knee raise arm press. Interlock your fingers overhead with straight arms. Then press downward to meet your rising knee. This strong core crunch burns deep belly fat and lengthens your upper spine. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 12. Alternating lunge step. Step into a gentle lunge with your front leg bent and back leg lowering toward a kneeling position. This strengthens lower body balance, stimulates full body fat burn, and improves hip flexibility. Three, two, one, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 13. Under knee clap. Lift one knee up and clap both hands underneath your leg with arms open. This dynamic crunch burns lower belly fat and gently stretches tight shoulder joints. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 14. Side bend stretch. Bend your waist slightly to one side and reach one arm diagonally up with your other hand resting on your hip. This opens your side waist to melt love handles and relieve shoulder stiffness. 3, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 15. Side step arm reach. Shift your weight side to side while extending one arm straight down and bending the other forward. This smooth rhythm burns full body fat, firms your core, and soothes shoulder tension. 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 16. Half squat stretch. Hold a gentle half squat with arms crossed. Then shift weight side to side while extending your front leg with heel down. This targets belly fat, improves leg balance, and loosens tight hips. Three, 2, 1, rest. 3, 2, 1, go. Exercise 17. Tiptoe elbow press. Bend your elbows in front of your chest and press arms up as you rise onto your tiptoes. Then press down smoothly. This improves neck and shoulder mobility, stimulates blood flow, and tones upper belly fat. You did an amazing job today. Which movement made your shoulders and neck feel most relaxed today? Tell me in the comments below. Please like, subscribe, and practice daily with me.